Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Polished Chaos with Shara Vaughn. Today I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial on how to bling out these wine glasses that you see everywhere actually, and they're very popular. So if you're interested in that type of video, please stick around. Okay, y'all, let me tell you what you're going to need for this project. You're going to need a pair of wire clippers. You're going to need a wine glass. I got mine from the $1.25 Century. You're going to need a 2mm rhinestone wrap or trim. You're going to need some glue. You can use E6000 or you can use like Gorilla Glue or Super Glue, something like that. And if you can't tell, the rhinestone trim is it's clear rhinestone and silver. And I got it from Amazon. I will post a link down in the description box. You want to make sure that you wipe off the wine glass. Make sure there's no debris or dust or anything, so that the rhinestone trim will adhere as it's supposed to. After you're done cleaning your glass, you can go ahead and start to apply the glue. E6000 glue is not a fast drying glue, so you do not have to worry about applying your material before it dries. I'll only be applying the trim to the stem of the glass. I didn't want to do the whole glass. I just wanted to give it a little bit of bling. So I'm just applying some E6000 glue, a little bit at a time. And y'all, you don't need a whole lot of this glue. You can use it sparingly, and a little goes a long way with E6000 glue. And if you choose to use this glue over others, please make sure that you're in a well-ventilated area. I've heard some stories of how this glue can make you sick. And we don't want that, so just make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. Now we'll start to apply the rhinestone trim. You're going to apply from the top where you placed your glue at, and just continue to wrap it until you get to the bottom of the stem. If you notice that you may have some gaps between the rhinestone trim, just do what I did and kind of use your fingernail to push them together. So you guys, this video is actually old. I did these glasses, I want to say back in 2019, and I never posted the video. So I just wanted to give you some inspiration for your holiday decor this year. Actually, when I bought these glasses, they were not $1.25 at the $1.25 Century now. They were only $1. I made a total of 6 to go with my table setting for that Christmas holiday in 2019. The trim is, I believe it's $11 at Amazon. And like I said, the glasses are $1.25 now. So I think like if you were to make 6 of these, you would spend about $3 per glass, which is awesome compared to these specialty stores that you get them from. And I've had them for 3 years now. They're still holding up and they still look fabulous. And I actually used them recently for a bar cart styling that I did for this past year. And y'all, excuse my nails because they're not done, but they usually look like this anyway because I don't get them done too often. I ended up buying 2 spools of the rhinestone trim, and I only used a half of 1 spool. So this trim goes a long way, and I think it's well worth $11 per spool. So I'm gonna go ahead and hush and let you watch the process, and I will come back and talk to you when it's all put together. All right, now, y'all, we're finished. We're all done. Just give it a little snip, and you're going to want to let this dry for 24 to 48 hours, and then you're all set to go and to style and to design the way that you see fit. Now I'm just going to show you what it looked like on the table that I designed in 2019, and this is my dining room table for the Christmas holiday. I really appreciate you all stopping by to watch this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. It's very well appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.